Algorand values being a naturally steady blockchain project that gives a versatile and proficient organization for executing. It's intended to deal with 6,000 exchanges each second for a minimal price. In an ecologically cognizant time, Algorand has situated itself to be a reasonable digital currency project. Many top investigators have determined a potential Algorand cost expectation for future years. Financial backers benefit in more ways than one from taking on Algorand as their favorite exchange stage. In this guide, we look at the Algorand undertaking's experience, elements, and utility. Then, at that point, answer significant inquiries financial backers frequently have on Algorand. We likewise contrasted another green venture and high possible potential gain. Algo value history. Algorand, Algo, started exchanging on significant trades June 2019. Following its underlying coin offering ICO crypto, the Algo token cost opened on its most memorable day of exchanging at $3.28, yet shut at $2.43. The amendment went on for Algorand in the resulting weeks. Algo continued making worse low points, in the end, plunging to 51 cents in August. A slight recuperation to 88 cents followed, causing numerous financial backers to accept that an inversion was on the cards. That didn't work out, as Algorand token made a twofold top and proceeded with its negative pattern. During the worldwide lockdowns in WOC 2020, Algorand arrived at its unequaled low, ATL, of 10 cents. Algorand started making more promising low points with some huge retracements en route. Yet that cost activity denoted the beginning of a significant bull run. In spite of the fact that Algorand didn't set another record-breaking high, its value flooded to $2.52 by September 2021, giving lockdown financial backers simply more than 2,100% returns. The cost retested that level in November, yet neglected to get through. That was at the time Bitcoin made its then, at that point, continued to crash. Bitcoin likewise hauled down the absolute best altcoins, including Algorand. The coin continued to make worse low points for the following couple of months, ultimately tracking serious areas of strength down at 28 cents in June 2022. From that point forward, Algorand has gone from 28 cents to 40 cents, and numerous algo examiners accept that will be the coin's direction until the end of the year. Here is a speedy recap of Algorand's cost history. Algorand started exchanging June 2019 and opened at $3.28. Sellers overwhelmed Algorand's ICO and, in the long run, pushed the value down to 51 cents by August. Algo made a slight recuperation to 88 cents. However, proceeded with its downtrend, finding the base at 10 cents. Investors who purchased Algo in WOC 2020 got returns of simply more than 2,100% on the off chance that they sold in September 2021. A crypto market decline trailed behind Bitcoin bested, and Algorand dove to 28 cents in June 2022. Algorand has run somewhere in the range of 28 cents and 40 cents since June 2022, and a few examiners accept it will end the year that way. Algo value expectation 2023. Algorand may be one of the most outstanding penny crypto to put resources into now, as certain experts accept a cost increment is on the cards in 2023. Digital currency pundits have revitalized against fossil fuel byproduct ventures like Bitcoin. The significance of socially mindful money management has provoked a few crypto undertakings to look for greener arrangements. Ethereum changed over its agreement from verification of work (POW) to evidence of stake (POS) to offer a harmless to the ecosystem stage that limits energy utilization. Algorand is viewed as a manageable blockchain, fueled by one of the most eco-accommodating crypto. Its environment is more energy effective than numerous blockchain tasks and counterbalances its carbon impression by purchasing carbon credits. Algorand has collaborated with Climate Trade to empower financial backers and clients to be important for a task that contributes emphatically toward the climate. The stage is carbon negative. Experts gave a greatest Algorand crypto value expectation of 59 cents for 2023. Their assumptions are that Algo token will have a typical cost of 51 cents for the year and a potential least of 50 cents. Algorand value expectation 2025 to 2030 forecast. Algorand has demonstrated to be a long-haul crypto speculation by guaranteeing it's a maintainable task, endeavoring to work on its highlights. It has accomplished that with the convention redesign and evidence of stake agreement to guarantee it gives a green arrangement. This biological system anticipates that more clients should join its foundation in the following couple of years due to its proficient exchange handling and obligation to affecting the climate. Decidedly numerous financial backers esteem these two attributes. The environment's client base is supposed to increment yearly, bringing about an expanded interest for Algo. Regardless of whether digital currencies are in a bear market, It ordinarily endures a couple of years before costs start to spike. As per experts, economic situations ought to be ideal in 2025, and expanded resource costs are plausible. A few experts have an Algorand cost expectation in 2025 of $1.30 as a most extreme. Taking a gander at conjectures in the long haul, we found the Algorand cost forecast in 2030 to be $8.59. What is Algorand involved for? Algorand fostered a utility token to empower clients of its biological system to partake in a few advantages that most blockchain projects don't offer. Executing. Algorand offers a decentralized stage for shared P2P exchanges. Numerous other crypto projects additionally offer P2P executing, yet Algorand's answer is effective and reasonable. Other than handling 6,000 exchanges each second, Algorand requires just 3.6 seconds to finish an exchange. The most awesome aspect of involving Algorand for P2P is moderateness. Exchange charges on Algorand's foundation are just $0.0004. This stage was intended to forbid the forking of Algorand's blockchain, to guarantee that finished exchanges can't be changed. To finish it off, clients put resources into a carbon-negative venture that is significant about making a positive commitment to the climate marking. Algorand works on evidence of stake agreement and requires stakers' financial backers who secure in their coins for a particular period. At the point when the exchange block is prepared for handling, Algorand's convention chooses a validator hub to survey the block. In return for marking, financial backers get Algorand coins as remunerations. Stakers are likewise compensated by turning into the convention's lead representatives, qualifying them for cast votes on the undertaking's main points of interest to decide its future. A crypto marking stage, for example, Binance offers 8.24% APR for 120 days of algo marking. Advancement. Quick P2P exchanges are one of the primary advantages of Algorand. Yet constructing crypto projects on its foundation is another. Engineers can utilize this biological system to construct decentralized applications, dApps. Also, since it's an open-source blockchain, any client can add to the stage's code. Designers can utilize Algorand to assemble loaning and acquiring crypto projects. This environment additionally has stablecoins and computerized local money. Its enticement for designers is that it gives top apparatuses and assets to simplify improvement. Designers can utilize the stage's instructional exercises, thoughts and models to begin their advancement process. Algorand is one of the most feasible crypto in light of its POS agreement and devotion to being a carbon-negative venture. It has collaborated with natural causes to guarantee that it makes a positive commitment to the climate by involving a form of POS that drives power utilization as near zero as could really be expected. The retail accomplices give to ecologically cognizant causes that are worried about the prosperity of our planet. Other than procuring tokens, financial backers can utilize IMP to diminish their own carbon impression. A social element empowers clients to follow their effect on the climate, and positive benefactors are compensated focuses. The element rewards higher focuses to clients that resign their carbon